Hello, GLE4. We are going to be doing a lesson that combines both Lesson 8 and Lesson 9 on pages 78 and page 86 in your workbook, because most of this is revision and it's stuff that in the past you've been really good at. So first, we are going to be looking at comparing multi-digit numbers. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to look at the digits in the largest place values. So in this case, we have two digits both in the hundred thousands column. Now, if I only had one there and the other one maybe started in the 10,000s column, then whichever one starts in the larger place value is the larger number. But in this case, our digits are both in the hundred thousands in the hundred thousands place value column. So we now need to look at these. Now, 2 and 2 is the same digit. So we can move down one place value. So 8 and 8, still the same digit. So we can move down one more place value. And here is where we see that they are different. We can see that 7 is greater than 6. So therefore we know 287,623 is greater than 286,478. Awesome. So the next thing we're going to be looking at is rounding using place value. Just a reminder, when we can round using a number line and we can round using place value. Now, some of you guys are really strong on the number line. In my observation, most of us prefer the place value method, so that is the method we are looking at here. If you would rather use the number line method at home, you are more than welcome to. So let's have a look. We're going to round 287,623 to the nearest 10,000. So if I am rounding using place value, the first thing I need to do is find the digit that I'm going to be rounding. So if I am rounding to the nearest 10,000, I need to find my 10,000s column. Here it is. And then I need to circle the digit I'm rounding. So in this case, I'm rounding the 8 in the 10,000s column. I then need to look at the digit after it. So in this case, that digit is the 7 in the 1,000s column. So this is the digit that I'm rounding. This is the digit that tells me which direction I'm going to be rounding. So if this digit, not the digit I'm rounding, but the digit after it, if this digit is 5 and higher, then the number I am rounding will round up 1. If this digit is 4 or lower, then this digit will stay the same. So either I'm going to round up 1 if the number after the digit I'm rounding is 5 or higher, but if the digit after the digit I'm rounding is 4 and under, it stays the same. The digit I'm rounding stays the same. So let's have a look. In this case, the digit after the digit I'm rounding is a 7. 7 is higher than 5. So that means that I am rounding up. So I take my 8 and I round it up to become 9. Now every digit after that becomes a 0. And every digit before that stays the same. So in this case, 287,623, if I'm rounding it to the nearest 10,000, it becomes 290,000. Awesome.
Sorry.